great way to dress up furniture is to add some curves, especially on stretchers and rails where you put a smooth, even curve along the bottom edge. Now, drawing that smooth, even arc can be a real challenge by hand. And what I like to do is use a strip of hardboard or pegboard that I cut from a scrap piece. Something like that is easy to bend into the shape I need. Unfortunately, I need an extra set of hands to actually draw in the curve. Now, a simple solution to that problem is to add a knotted string at one end, loop it through the opposite end, and then add this spring-loaded cord keeper. What that allows you to do is bend the hardboard into shape, and the cord keeper is going to hold everything in place. Now, this curve probably isn't going to match the arc I need, but that's simple enough to adjust. Just pulling on the string a little bit and then checking that it matches your curve. Now all I need to do is hold that in place, draw on my curve, I'll move over to the other side here, draw that, and what I end up with is a smooth, even curve, ready to head to the bandsaw and cut it out.